is Apollo, our umbrella-crested cockatoo with the scientific name of Kakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesian. Now, did you know that Apollo here is a multi-talented star? Alright, now who wants to see Apollo dance? Who wants to see Apollo dance? Raise your hands! Apollo, ang dami ng fans. Naku guys, kailangan daw ni Apollo ng backup dancer. How about Kuya Dexter? Who wants to see Kuya Dexter dance? Alam ka muna, may fans ka rin. Made by the famous Michael Jackson. At us boys, ipakita mo sa kanila ang moonwalk and there you go. At dahil nga multi-talented star si Apollo, now guys, this time let's see some of his acting skills. Ako guys, marunong itong umante guys, pang probinsyano, pang Caldo Dalisay. Okay Apollo, what do we do if we see a predator? Anong gagawin boy pag may kalaban? Lakang laking agila boy, anong gagawin? Anong gagawin? Patay. That's their natural reaction po, no? They're doing that in the wild to fool their predators. So nagpapatay-patayan po sila. No one more time. Hala ko, boy, bumalik yung agila boy. Anong gagawin? Nandiyan sa taas mo boy, ang laking agila. Ayan na naman siya, eh. Patay. Palakpasan po natin si Apollo, guys. So talaga Apollo, pang-point mo boy. At dahil ang istahin nga si Apollo, let's do quick interview session kay Apollo, guys. Okay? Kaya Dexter, Apollo, interview muna tayo, ha? Okay? Sumagot ka ng maayos. Apollo, sumagot ka ng maayos, Apollo. Be honest, okay? Alright. Apollo, look at Kuya Dexter daw, guys. Look at Kuya Dexter. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Kuya Dexter, Apollo? Ay, Apollo, nagtawa si Kuya. Alright, now, let's take it sa mga odd. Let's take it, ako naman. Sige, ako naman daw. Alright, let's see daw, eh? Apollo, how about me daw, boy? Look at me, am I pretty? Maganda ba ako, boy? Apollo, kulit ko naman, boy. Pinapahiya mo ko dito, Apollo. Let's take it sa mga guests daw. Okay, dito tayo. Ito si ma'am. Ay, tumawa daw. Hala ka, ma'am. Okay, Apollo, look at ma'am na naka-red. Is she pretty? Is she beautiful? Maganda ba si ma'am Apollo? Ay, syempre, Apollo, Bruce. Maganda nga naman si ma'am, guys, nag-blush pa. Alright, let's take it sa mga lalaki naman. Eto, so, dalawang gentlemen natin dito. Ayan sila, sir. Okay, Apollo, look at them. Are they good looking? Are they handsome? Pogi ba sila, Sir Apollo? Pogi? Ay, Apollo, Bruce, Ben. Syempre, pogi nga naman yung mga bisita natin at mga magaganda rin ngayon natin. No, naku, Apollo, ba't ganun? Ba't ako lang yung naibaboy? Sige daw, boy, one more time daw, boy. Apollo, boy, please, look at me. Am I good looking? Am I pretty? Maganda ba ako, boy? Sige na ba? Grabe ka sa akin, Apollo. Ikaw talaga, Apollo. No, guys, palakpakan na lang po natin si Apollo. Kung napakain sila kanina, Apollo.